If you want to have this kind of custom navigation button in your Samsung phone, then what you do is open Play Store, search and download Good Luck app. Open it, install, open, agree and continue, open Nav Star, enable it, select new configuration and select recent. Either you can select a photo from the gallery or you can use custom icon. If I want to select a photo, I will select gallery, 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 always, and select any photo, select yes, select gallery, always, and then you can crop the photo. After that, done. So the recent button has changed into a photo. Similarly, select home. If you want to use custom icon, select this icon here, and then from here you can select any icon, like example this one. Also select back, select custom icon or gallery, whichever you want. Let me select gallery, and then select any photo, yes, crop the photo if you want, done. After that, save, and then from here select the navigation button that you have just created, and after that, if you see at the bottom there is custom navigation buttons.